Hey everybody, welcome to another FSD Beta video. We're still on 10.11.2, eagerly awaiting 10.12.1 or 10.12.2. So while I did mention in my previous video it would be my last one until we get the 10.12 version, I couldn't resist trying to see how it was doing. Over the last couple of days I had a couple of scenarios where I had to push the camera icon there. I just want to see if generally behavior changes based on time of day. The other day it was kind of really clear and bright sun. Today is a bit overcast and a bit cloudy, so I just want to see if there's any differences. So we're just going to do sort of like the same drill. We're going to go through 4 to 5 different routes. Let's see how it does. I put route 1 in. Let's see. Okay, there's no lines over here, but it's doing a fairly decent job. A left turn. Oh, someone trying to cross the road. Folding mirrors to pass through narrow way. Oh, that's interesting. And then it reopened the mirrors. I've never seen that before. This is the first time. Okay. Ooh, real close, real close. Yeah, Tesla should definitely adjust the sensitivity of how close the car goes. Oh, there's a car. Just like, oops. Okay. I'm going to do this part. Maybe I should have let it done it, but okay. There's a yield sign. We're just gonna merge. All right, that was well done. Okay, a little jerky. That's okay. I would have shifted left into the left lane now, considering we have to make a left turn in about 200 meters. Are we going to miss it? 170 meters. Oh. Yeah, it cut across solid. That's not correct. So I've just sent a snapshot to Tesla. Okay, now it's keeping to the extreme right. Yeah, it's keeping the center correctly here. That's good. Okay, and now we have lane lines. It's going right behind. Ooh, so close. So close. Okay, we're changing lanes. Gotta make a right. 130 meters. Okay. The nose was a little bit too far out, but okay. Okay, we're approaching the familiar construction zone where you noticed in the last video I had to disengage as it was it really messed up that maneuver when taking a left at the stop sign here. Let's see how it does today. It's not perfect, but so far we've not disengaged. Okay, we're good. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't disengage, but it was nervous, very nervous, it freaked out quite a lot in that one small segment there, but it's okay. It managed to complete the maneuver, albeit not perfectly. Okay, we're gonna make a right turn in 200 meters. All right. Fairly smooth. Okay. There's a school zone approaching, so I'm slowing the speed down manually here, as the car doesn't recognize school zones yet. Okay, we gotta go left at the roundabout. It's good. Nobody here. A little jerky twice there, but okay. All right. We've got another right turn approaching. Okay, that was good. You can see that they're actually doing a lot of construction work on the sidewalks here. And this construction equipment is going to also be there at this roundabout. Let's see if the car navigates correctly through that. Okay. All right. It entered that correctly. Yeah, that was good. Kind of slowed down there. It saw people. All right, we're approaching another roundabout, and this time we're probably going to go all the way that side. Okay, we stopped. Got two mopeds coming from the other side, but that's okay. All right. Really close to the pavement on the right-hand side there, but still done pretty well. All right. That was negotiated pretty well. As you can see, it's rendering all the cars parked, all the trash cans. Okay. Yeah, it's fairly confident in all the turns so far. And I've not yet had any occurrence of abrupt braking. Okay. Oops. All right. So that's destination 1.